Good afternoon. Sorry. Today my topic is autotrophic nutrition. First, we will know what is nutrition. The way of taking food is called nutrition. There are two types of nutrition: autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. What is the difference between autotrophic and heterotrophic? Autotrophic, there are 3 points. First, first self nourishment. Second, prepare their own food with the help of photo and chemoautotrophs. Third, the example of autotrophic nutrition is green plant. Heterotrophic nutrition. There are 3 points. First, it depends other. Second, obtain their food with the help of either living or non-living. Example of heterotrophic nutrition is each human being, etc. There are two types of autotrophic nutrition. First, photoautotrophic, and second, chemoautotrophic. Photoautotrophic, they utilize energy from light to synthesize organic molecules. Green plants convert carbon dioxide in. There are two types of autotrophic nutrition. First, photoautotrophic. What is photoautotrophic? They utilize their energy from light to synthesize organic molecules. Green plants convert carbon dioxide into carbohydrate in the presence of sunlight is called photoautotrophic. Example: green plants. Chemoautotropic. Chemoautotropics are the organism to perform chemosynthesis to prepare their foods. Example: bacteria. The next topic is the steps of photosynthesis. There are three. First, absorption of sunlight by chlorophyll. Second, formation of assimilatory power. Third, reduction of carbon dioxide to produce chlorophyll. To produce carbohydrate. And the last point is reaction of photosynthesis. CO2 plus H2O react in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. C6H12O6 plus O2. Thank you.
Okay, Purvi. Or koi?
Good afternoon, teacher and all dear student. And my topic is today. My topic is stomata. What is stomata? The stomata is smallest epidermal folds present in leaf, and the function of stomata is helping in gaseous exchange, and it help in transpiration. Transpiration, and the loss of water in a form of vapor from aerial plant. It is
aerial parts of plants.
Aerial parts of plant. It is called transpiration. And transpiration, the function of transpiration is contain the temperature of the plant body, and it helps Succeedian force.
Suction force, which help in transportation of water and mineral. Okay. Okay, Priyanshu. Next is Divyansh.
Good afternoon, teacher and my dear friends. My name is Divyansh Raj. My topic is stomata. The stomata is the smallest epidermal pore at the leaf, which is called stomata. Its function are: it help in gaseous exchange and it help in transpiration. It is the loss of water from the from the aerial parts of the plants, which is called transpiration. Transpiration help functions of transpiration. It help in suction force. It maintain the temperature of the plant. Third, during daytime, guard cell absorbs H2O so that they become swell and the stomatal pore open. Fourth, in night time, the guard cell release excess H2O, so they become shrink and the stomatal pore close. Thank you.
Good. Very good, Divyansh.
Ma'am, photosynthesis is the process of making food in plants. Now the step of photosynthesis, absorption of sunlight by the help of chlorophyll, and reduction of CO2 for produce carbon dioxide, and making and formation of
Assimilatory
power,
Hmm.
assimilatory power ATP. And now the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is held in mesophyll cell because mesophyll cell provide a maximum chlorophyll for max formation of sunlight, and it provide broad and flat surface, and it provide stomata for gaseous exchange. Now stomata is a epidermal pores for gaseous exchange during photosynthesis. Due to it, the transpiration is also held, and transpiration is the gaseous in transpiration. Transpiration.
Transpiration help in
Transpiration, what
transportation of water, no?
Yes, ma'am. In transpiration, transportation of water in form of vapor. This is called transpiration. It give relax to plants because the temperature, it maintain the temperature of a plant and help in succession force.
Very good, Shivam. Very good.